What is good, NIO family? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one, I'm going to be talking about the one and only NIO stock and break down why tomorrow may be a crazy day for the markets for NIO and why on earth quad witching may have a big effect on it. So I'm going to break down what is quad witching, why this is super important, and why on earth this may affect NIO tomorrow and lead to some crazy price action. Now, before I break anything down, before I get into any more details, I do have to mention a couple of things before starting. Firstly, I'm not a financial planner. Don't take any of this as financial advice whatsoever. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, it benefits the entire NIO community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Webull link down below and in the description. If you sign up for Webull, the link down below, and deposit any amount of money into the account, you're guaranteed up to 12 free stocks, each worth up to $2,000. And the best part is, one of these 12 free stocks could be a free Apple or Tesla share. It's a limited time offer. The offer ends in just 2 weeks. Check it out before they run out. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So looking at NIO and the SPY, we are starting to see some crazy price action that's already starting to highlight the start of quadruple witching. And I want to talk about what this actually is and why this is very important. Now, I did note yesterday that I didn't have much time today because I do have to go to a dentist for a consultation meeting, but I do have a little bit of time on my hands, which is why I quickly want to go over this. And I do apologize if I do sound like I'm rushing a bit. It's really just me trying to get the information out to you guys as fast as possible. So quadruple witching refers to the date in which certain derivatives contracts expire simultaneously, and the four that expire at the same time right here would be the equity futures contracts, options on individual equities, options contracts on equity futures, and then options on equity indexes. So a bunch of these options are expiring at the same time. So what does this mean for NIO and the overall market? Well, this actually happens very rarely, and because so many investors know about this, the excitement, the stress, the fear, all of them could actually move the market in an even more crazy way. So it happens 4 times per year when we get all of these contracts expiring at the same time. It happens in March, in June, September, and December during the third Fridays of those months. And we have the third Friday of September coming up tomorrow. So what happens during quad witching? Because so many of these large option positions either expire or closed or rolled or exercised, this could lead to abnormal market volatility and unpredictable price action. Historically, the volume and volatility have picked up in the last hour a lot, as we do see that as the quad witching hour. So this means that we could see crazy volatility, lots of big price action from the markets, and we also could see lots of institutions changing their strategies and how they actually end up moving things. There are 1.7 million calls out the money and 200,000 in the money for SPY as of right now, and over 2 million out the money and 800,000 puts. I'm referring to puts on this side, puts that are in the money. So this is important because with all these contracts, market makers may take advantage of the price action. They may short companies to oblivion, or they may start to buy them up like crazy. It's going to be pretty insane. This could lead to lots of volume and lots of implied volatility going up, and they may start shorting the market hard, or they may not. So there's no historical data to prove what is going to happen tomorrow. It's more like we know there's going to be lots of volume, most likely lots of volatility, but we don't truly know exactly which direction we will go in. There's a chance they may short everything very hard. That has happened in the past where we've got a big crash on this day, or there have been days where we got a big reversal and the market starts to rally out of nowhere. With FOMC coming up in a couple of days, right, a couple of business days, on the 21st of September, we're very close to what's on earth the big day, when the big day comes, and what this can actually do to the markets. So please note that could lead to a bit of a drop in SPY and NIO, the overall market, at least temporarily. So that's the reason why I'm going to be very cautious during this time. And the best thing to do is watch support and resistance levels very carefully. So if NIO pushes up, $22 has lots of resistance, and then 22.7 also lots of resistance. I mentioned that previously, and we saw 22.7 is where NIO got projected, or very close to that range. NIO comes down at 21.5, followed by about 21 flat, and then 20.8, and then 20 flats as well, are all key support zones. So watch support and resistance, expect lots of volatility, and near the very end of the day, we may see a big push or a big drop depending on which direction is chosen. So The reason this happens is because lots of institutions want more calls in the money or more puts in the money or something like that, which is why they may push it in one direction. There could also be lots of buyers and sellers stepping in at the same time, leading to more volatility. And also, it could be market makers trying to manipulate stocks to make money off the premiums. This is what they often do. So, anyways, guys, I hope you guys are ready for tomorrow. We may see some crazy volatility in NIO, for Tesla, for SPY, and the whole market. Be ready, remain calm, cool, and collected. Watch your indicators, and I'll see you guys in the next one. NIO to the moon because the long term future is bright, and peace out.